Hi, my name is Alina, I live in Kyiv and I love to cook. Today I want to make an incredibly delicious Thai dessert. This is coconut mango sticky rice. If you have never tasted this dessert, you should. To begin with, you need to wash the special glutenous rice several times. This rice has a pearl color and visually differs from other varieties. Put the rice in gauze or a thin towel. This will help keep the rice in the right shape and stickiness. I add 550 ml of water to half kilogram of rice. Cook for 35–40 minutes. Meanwhile, you need to prepare a simple coconut sauce. Mix coconut milk, sugar and pinch of salt. It's necessary to heat the sauce until the sugar is completely dissolved. Leave part of the sauce in a pan. Put the other part in a large plate. You need to mix the sweet coconut sauce with the rice. After 30 minutes, stir the rice and leave again for 1 hour. Add little more salt to the coconut sauce left in the pan. I add starch mixed with water to prepare the topping. Mango is the best fruit to taste with coconut rice. But you can use other options as well, for example, banana, strawberry, pineapple, etc. It's a really incredible taste and aroma. Coconut topping should be sweet and salty. This adds even greater variety and brightness of taste. Sticky, chewy, very tender and aromatic dessert. I recommend you cook this. Thanks for watching, subscribe and leave a comment if you like my videos. Bye!